What is up guys, this is TSD Reviews and stuff back here with another video, and today I will be doing an unboxing and the showcase of the skin for the Pixel 4a. Now I ordered this from Gadgetshieldz, as you can see, and this is the high one, or you can say honeycomb skin, black in color. So I ordered the same thing but for the AirPods Pro. Now that was pretty cool actually, so I thought that why not get it for the Pixel 4a also. So I already talked about this in my previous video for the review on the Pixel 4a. So actually I won't be doing a proper installation process because previously I've already messed up quite a few skins. So because also you need a hair dryer to stick the skin onto the phone properly. So this is a full back skin, so it's not just only for the front. I'll show you. This is not only for the back, it's also for the sides and bottom and top too, so it's going to be a little more complex. So I will be doing this off camera, but let's just go ahead and unbox this and see what do we get inside. Okay, almost got it. There you go. This is what you get. Says Skin Nova here. Gadgetshieldz premium skins. Okay. Alright, this looks nice. Let's open this thing up. Okay, so you do get a cleaning cloth for the back. Here it says here's your chance to win a skin, so you just have to put these hashtags and just tag them in your post. And this is a warning, you have to check out the video. So now this is for the Pixel 4 specific. They haven't done a video on that. I mean like at this moment they haven't done the video for the Pixel 4a, but if you want to see it, I definitely recommend checking out the one from Dbrand, and you can just basically follow that, and basically the whole process is pretty much exactly the same, so you won't have any issues. So do check out the Pixel 4a specific one from Dbrand. This is a camera module skin, so they do give you two of them. That's nice. And let's see what else do we have here. And this should be your regular skin for the back. So they actually gave you three camera module covers, so that's a nice thing. And the texture feels really nice, as expected. Honeycomb pattern. And that's pretty much it from here. So this is basically what you get in the box. These are the contents, and it's a nice touch that they've added two more camera modules. That's a nice thing. But yes, so I'm going to be doing this whole application process off camera because, as I mentioned, I might screw this up again, and I need a hair dryer too. So once I finish installing the skin on this, I will be back and I will be telling you how this phone feels. Alright guys, I am back after applying the skin on the Pixel 4a, and the final output looks really nice. The skin, it just feels so great. This honeycomb pattern is exactly why I bought this. It feels so good. And the application process was a little, I'd say, tricky, but I mean I went through it kind of easily. So yeah, what I recommend again is checking out this video. You have to check this video out guys. This is the video I'm talking about from Dbrand. They have actually explained it really well on how to apply the skin. The procedures were quite simple to understand, very easy, and I finally got a great looking skin on the 4a. On the corners, yeah, you can see this thing is a little raised up, the corners here. Now I don't know if it's supposed to be like this, but I think it's gonna feel great, yeah. And I didn't expect this to be that great, I mean in terms of final output, but thanks to D brand, the procedure was quite simple, and this just looks really nice. So if you want to check this out, if you want to check this skin out from Gadgetshieldz, I'll leave the link in the description. You can buy that. I mean, I got this for like 493 rupees, so I think that's a great deal. Or if you're living in USA, you can get it from D brand or any other case. Or if you want to buy it from some alternate company like Capes India, I'll leave the link for that too in the description. I think it's worth it, guys. You should check this out. So guys, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching this video. I will be making more videos on this, and I actually had bought the Skull Candy Crusher Evos earlier, but unfortunately because of some technical issue I had to send them back to the service center. So it's going to take me around 20 days for a new product to receive. So till then, guys, I will be thinking of making more videos, do my best, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Peace.